OnePageCRM makes it easy to keep track of client relationships. To visualize connections, you can link contacts to organizations, deals, or other contacts. For example, let's say Joe Bloggs is a freelance consultant who provides regular marketing services to Acme. While you can, of course, link Joe to the marketing director at Acme, linking him to the whole organization will highlight this connection on an account-wide level. You can also link contacts to deals. Some deals have multiple decision makers, so keep track of them all in one place. You can define and display relationships between contacts. If you're involved in construction sales, connecting a client with the contractor and an architect can ensure you have all relevant parties displayed on the client's page. Open the menu in the top right corner of the Contacts page, then choose the contact you want to connect and define the relationship. This makes it easy to connect the dots and see the full picture.